Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with Teardown Systems here today to show you a few products that we're going to be making. And we're going to start off with the Fritz panel. And as you can see, I'm wearing the Fritz panel right here. It's just a classic EUD panel that allows you to put any of your end user devices, your Juggernaut mounts, your Kagwerks mounts, and or any other brands you might have. The difference with this one compared to others on the market is that it allows you to run with split rigs. So big problem is most of them were designed for standardized chest rigs that you take off over your shoulders, over your head kind of. And with split rigs, you take them off and on, you don and doff them like a backpack. So big issue is needing to unbuckle from the side. So we designed something that allows you to do that. We're going to be coming out with our version of it that mounts to our harness, but it will work pretty much with any harness that has 1-inch MOLLE going down it. And we plan to release a Spiritus Systems version for their LBV setup, harness and butt pack setup. So you can expect the Spiritus one a little further down the road, but with the initial release, it'll be with ours. So again, if you have something that has MOLLE on it, this will work mostly with anything on the market. Now, cool little feature with the Fritz panel is that on the back side, you'll see our logo and a little squadron cubby here. And we did this so that you can put your March cards or any like radio cards, basically anything that you might need to quickly, reference to, whether it's for your radios calls, but got some aqua tabs in there, but it'll fit just about anything that's relatively flat, but you could put something a little wider in there. Just trying to show off that you can put stuff in there and that it holds stuff there for quick access. And yeah, so it comes as your standard panel here with tri-glides on one side. It has on the tri-glide side about 9 inches of adjustment, and then on your buckle side is about 4 inches of adjustment with this Tegris T on there. Now all you're going to do is when you get this, it won't come with the buckles on. That way you can slide it into your MOLLE loops and then you add the buckles on after. It's quite simple and should be straightforward, but we will have an install video in the future for you. This is the Fritz panel. It is very simple, but it solves a problem that a lot of you have asked about since split rigs have kind of come onto the market and been a little bit more popular lately. So we hope you enjoy the Fritz panel. It will be hitting our site soon in all colorways, in multicam, coyote, ranger green. So yeah, thank you so much. Train hard, serve others, Teardown Systems.